My name is Allison Popesky, and I've been kind of the movement creator throughout this whole workshop. And I'm also the Attack Theater Dance Company Arts Education Manager, and I'm also a teaching artist.
And my name is Bernie Wilkie. I've been overseeing the visual arts part of the workshop series. And like Allison, I'm a teaching artist, and I'm also a community muralist here in Pittsburgh.
Yes. So what you're about to see is a great example of a project-based learning experience. So with project-based learning, it's really great for adding that creative component into a lesson plan, which is sometimes missing, especially right now in this virtual craziness. And I can also say for myself that this was a really fun process. And I also feel like the participants felt that way too, which is super important. And then another key factor in project-based learning is that it is known to increase learning retention, which right now is key.
That's absolutely true. We have the data that shows that active learning, whenever students are able to make things out of what they're learning, they just learn it better. They learn it more deeply. They actually are able to personalize the material a little bit more. And so whether it's telling the story of planetary motion or how the solar system works, or animal habitats, or how colors interact in color theory, or whether it's a historical event like George Washington crossing the Delaware, for instance. These are all school subjects that students will learn a little bit better and more deeply if they're able to use the arts to make something out of these things that they're learning in school.
Yeah. And not only is the curriculum adaptable for this type of project, but so is the format. So say you would like something more related to text-based information or closed captioning, or if you want to stay along the lines of nonverbal and add more music, we can totally do that. And so that this project is accessible to all the community of students and teachers that we work with.
Yeah, and we also just wanted to emphasize that the students would take a very active part in the whole making of whatever we end up doing, whether it's a story, whether it's a visual arts piece or a movement piece. They're going to be front and center through the whole process. And at the end of the video, we're going to have a link to the other 11 lessons that we did on our YouTube series called Murals and Movement Workshop. And so you can just see a little bit of our process and how we actually use the arts to integrate and to teach core subjects. Okay, so have fun, and we hope to work with you soon.
Yes, enjoy.
We also just wanted to share a small part of one of the scenes from our culminating project called The Steadfast Crow, which was a stop motion film with movement sequences.